Hi there, my name's Neville Chase if you haven't met me before, and I make quick videos because it's a lot easier than typing, especially when you're dyslexic. Someone's asked me how you create a business page for Facebook. The most important thing to be aware of is, of course, that Facebook themselves don't like you using your normal profile for business. It's social media, it's not business media. So if you are going to run a business and want a Facebook page, do it separately. There is nothing to stop you though from posting things from your business page to your normal profile. They don't mind that at all. Okay, so keep it nice and quick. There's me, it's home, create. At the top there, create. Okay, so you click that. You can pick a page, which is what we're doing this time. You can even have a business group, etc., etc., fundraiser, whatever, but we're choosing page. Okay, you have two choices. Either a business page or a community or public profile page. Community page would be used for just social stuff like fundraising or whatever, or if you wanted to present yourself in a different way as a public figure. But we're after business or brand, so you press get started. You pick a name, business. It keeps it simple. Pick a category for your business. Where we're going to be doing cosmetics, aren't we? So we'll call it cosmetics. We can have beauty cosmetics, personal care, or cosmetic store. We'll go for that one. You put in your name and address. Let's change that as well at the same time there. That's where Facebook already know who I am. Boom. Okay. I always click don't show my address. I don't need people to know my personal address. They can contact me on my mobile, on my business page or via email. I add that. Okay, so we press continue, we're just waiting. Okay, there you can add profile picture. That's my daughter, but it's not going to stay there, so it won't matter. A cover, oh god, Happy Easter, why not, doesn't matter. You can pick whatever you want at the end of the day. Alright, and then it will go to the actual page. That doesn't always come in first time. Sometimes when you refresh the page up in the corner there, it will come in. If it didn't come in, doesn't matter. You just upload it like you would a normal Facebook header page. It then gives you, Facebook will start giving you ideas on what to do, etc. But that's it, really. You're set up. You write posts like you would normally write a post, and you can add pictures to them. On the side here you've got shop. Okay, now I'm not going to press shop and start going through that. You can set up a shop on a business page, and it is very, very handy to do, and then you can link that to your website shop that you want people to go and actually finish the purchase on. Okay, and I do have another video if you want it that shows you exactly how to do that, but that's it, short and sweet. Hope you understood. Bye for now.